In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering smoke absorbers available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the soldering smoke absorbers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering smoke absorbers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, KNOKOO FES150 Laser Fume Extractor. The KNOKOO FES150 is a versatile soldering smoke absorber designed for soldering, laser engraving, nail salons, DTF printers, and welding tasks. With a maximum airflow of 278 cubic meters per hour and a powerful 150W motor, it efficiently captures smoke and fumes, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Its HEPA filtration system ensures high purification, while its compact 12.5 kg design fits neatly on any desktop. CE certified and built with universal compatibility for AC110V/220V, this extractor combines reliability, efficiency, and portability for professional and DIY users alike. Number 4, LUXIANZI Smoke Absorber with Carbon Filter. The LUXIANZI Smoke Absorber is an ESD-safe fume extractor featuring an activated carbon filter sponge, perfect for laser engraving, soldering, and cutting operations. Lightweight at 2.2 kg, it offers portability and convenience for home workshops or small studios. The anti-static design ensures safety for sensitive electronics, while the CE-certified unit operates on 220V, providing consistent smoke absorption. Its compact size and efficient filtration make it ideal for maintaining a clean, healthy workspace during soldering and laser operations. Number 3, Mechanic 150W Fume Suction Device ZJ802S/SK102. The Mechanic 150W Fume Suction Device is a high-power, portable smoke absorber ideal for welding and soldering applications. It features 6 PCS filter cotton and a robust fan to provide strong suction for fumes and smoke, ensuring a safe and clean working environment. Compact at 270 by 230 by 155 mm and compatible with 110V/220V input, this CE-certified device balances power and portability. Its smoke stability and easy-to-replace filter make it perfect for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional workshops seeking reliable and efficient fume extraction. Number 2, SucceBuy 100W/150W Solder Fume Extractor. The SucceBuy Solder Fume Extractor delivers 332 cubic meters per hour airflow with 100W or 150W power options, providing strong suction to remove smoke and fumes efficiently. Designed for engraving, welding, and soldering tasks, it ensures a cleaner and healthier working environment. Lightweight and portable, this extractor is ideal for home workshops and professional setups alike. Its CE certification and reliable build quality ensure long-term performance. With its powerful purification capability, the SucceBuy Fume Extractor is perfect for anyone seeking effective and hassle-free smoke removal during soldering projects. Number 1, NEWACALOX N SE120 Smoke Absorber. The NEWACALOX N SE120 is a compact 30W solder fume extractor designed for DIY enthusiasts and small soldering stations. Despite its small size, it efficiently removes smoke, preventing inhalation hazards and keeping your workspace clean. Compatible with both 110V and 220V power input, it is portable and easy to position on any desktop. Its quiet operation and effective smoke prevention make it suitable for electronics repair, hobby projects, and home soldering setups. Lightweight yet efficient, this smoke absorber is perfect for those seeking safety and convenience during soldering tasks.